In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a mulch plug into a Ryobi 40V lawnmower. When you look at the mulch plug, you'll see this handle. That's what we're going to use to insert the mulch plug. On the other side, you will see this round section here, and that's going to add to the inside of the deck so that all the grass clippings stay in the deck and then get mulched up. To install this plug, you need to insert this little piece here into the corresponding hole right here on the back of the lawnmower. There are also two clips on the back here, and they line up with the two clips on the back of the mulch plug. Now, putting this in is fairly straightforward, but you don't want to put too much pressure on this handle. If you put too much pressure on this handle, you may break it. To install the mulch plug, we're going to line it up with the hole. We're going to push it in. We're going to keep this pushed down until it slots into the holes here, and then that is nice and secure. This is what it looks like underneath the deck now with the mulch plug in place. There's no hole here, so where the clippings would go into the bag, the mulch plug is now covering that. To remove the mulch plug, push this handle forward until it comes out of the slot in the base of the lawnmower and then pull backwards. And now you can remove the mulch plug fully. And that's how to install and remove a mulch plug on a Ryobi 40V lawnmower.